6A. And so now we're looking at product costing and decision for a service company. Pleasant Stay Medical Inc. wishes to determine its product costs. Pleasant Stay offers a variety of medical procedures or operations that are considered its products. The overhead has been separated into three major activities. The annual estimated activity cost of an activity base follows. And then we have scheduling and admitting, housekeeping, nursing. And the budgeted activity cost is based on the activity base, number of patients, number of patient days, the weighted care unit. Total patient days are determined by multiplying the number of patients by the average length of stay in the hospital. A weighted care unit, WCU, is a measure of nursing effort used to care for patients. There were 192,000 weighted care units estimated for the year. In addition, Pleasant Stay estimated 6,000 patients and 27,000 patient days for the year. The average patient stay is expected to have a little more than a 4-day stay in the hospital. During the portion of the year, Pleasant Stay collected patient information for 3 selected procedures as follows. By procedure A, B, and C. Private insurance reimburses the hospital for the activities at a fixed daily rate of $406 per patient day for all 3 procedures. So we want to start out by determining the activity rates for scheduling and admitting, housekeeping, and nursing. And I'm going to scroll back up a little bit. Over here in Excel, I just copied over the information that we have. So for the rates, we're going to take the total cost and divide it by the estimated units. So for scheduling and admitting, 432,000, and we're talking number of patients. And if we come down here, it said 6,000 patients. So in Excel, we'll say equals the amount divided by 6,000. Did not like that for some reason. Okay, that was strange. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Housekeeping is number of patient days. We'll try the formula again. It said 27,000 patient days in a year. It's just not going to work. And for the weighted care unit, we have 5,376,000, and it says there's 192,000 weighted care units estimated. So we get our rates, and we can plug those in. 72, 156, and 28. Determine the activity cost for each procedure. My procedure A, B, and C. And so, I'm not sure if any of these formulas are going to work for me, but we'll see. So, the scheduling and admitting is based off of number of patients. So we're just going to pull these numbers down, and then we'll multiply them across. So 280 patients times the 72 rate, and same thing, 1,680 times the 156 rate, 19,200 times the 28 rate, and then we'll do a sum. And so we have the activity A, or procedure A, has a cost of $819,840. And we can do the same thing for B and C, but I should have done a special paste to do just the values, not the formula. Okay. Oops, too far. Okay, so we've just, all that I did in Excel was the multiplication, so now we'll do a sum. And make these bold so they're easier for us to see. Okay. And now I can transfer those over. So 819, 840, 721, 800, and 1,507,200. Determine the excess or deficiency of reimbursements to activity costs. So the problem told us that the insurance pays at a 406 per patient day. So just next to this, I'm going to add reimbursement. And to calculate that, we can say the rate of 406 times the patient days, and for procedure A, it's 1,680. For procedure B, there's 3,250 days. And for procedure C, there's 4,800 days. And so this is asking us to figure out the excess or deficiency. So now we need to subtract out what we're being paid minus the cost to us. So the reimbursement of $682,000 minus the cost of $819,000 obviously gives us a deficiency. And then in these other two categories, that's not the case. So we'll say a deficiency of $137,760, and then we have an excess for procedures B and C. Based on the determination of the excess or deficiency of the reimbursement to activity cost, indicate which procedure cost is too high. So obviously the cost of procedure A is too high. Hospital management has decided to further investigate the nursing effort. Determine the weighted care units per patient days for each procedure. So, let's do that in a little sidebar over here. So it's asking us to determine weighted care units per patient day. So here in Excel, I'm going to say equals weighted care units divided by patient days. I'm just going to double check my formula. Care units by days, so that one's correct. And care units divided by days, so that's correct as well. And round to one decimal place. All right, that finishes this video. Thank you.